Have you ever stumbled across a website that just screams deal of the century? Well, Cavdu.Shop might look like a shopping paradise, but here's why you need to steer clear. Let's talk red flags. First up, the checkout process. When you try to pay with PayPal, Cavdu.Shop doesn't send you to the real PayPal site. Instead, you're redirected to a sketchy third-party page, like lwdqfi.cu. That's a classic trick to snatch your credit card info. And it gets worse. One unlucky shopper reported that right after entering their card details, their card was charged by a totally different merchant. They had to cancel their card on the spot. That's the nightmare scenario nobody wants. Now, about those prices. High-end sneakers worth $1,000 for just $41. Come on. If it sounds too good to be true, it almost always is. Scammers use fake deals like these to lure you in and grab your info. Plus, the product photos and descriptions? Most are stolen straight from legit retailers. So you're not just risking your money, you're probably not even going to get what you ordered. Here's the kicker. Cavdu.Shop doesn't even list a valid business address or phone number. There's no way to reach them if something goes wrong. So how do you protect yourself? Block and avoid Cavdu.Shop altogether. Double-check reviews on sites like Trustpilot. Spoiler alert, Cavdu.Shop is flooded with bad reviews and scam alerts. For expensive stuff, always stick to official brand sites or trusted retailers like Nordstrom Rack or Amazon. And if you've already made a purchase, call your bank immediately and report the site to the FTC. Stay sharp online and don't let scammers get the best of you.